Welcome everyone. Today we are going to see square pattern of stars. Firstly we had saw these three patterns. This first one it's reverse, and then the third pattern was by taking input from the user. Now we will see how to make the box pattern. This will be always same the class name, and then the public void send statement. String args. Then now here we have to use two for loops, one for A and one for B. Now you can see A is also 4 and B is also 4, and every time there is the 4 stars printed. So here we will use the first for loop for integer A, which is equal to it initially it is equal to 1 and it grows to 4, increases. Then we will give here it should be smaller than or equal to 4, and then A plus plus. Then we will use one more for loop for integer b equal to 1. Now here b is also equal to 1 and it grows till 4, and every time the 4 is printing, so here we don't have to use it should be greater than, it should be smaller than or equal to a. We have to use here it is smaller than or equal to directly 4, and then b is also increasing, so b plus plus. Then here we will print our star, and then as in triangle patterns, system.out.println, and now compile. So now we will see the output. See, 4 stars means 4 number of columns and 4 rows are printed here. The box is printed. So by this you can print the square pattern. Now we will see how it works. Now here firstly a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1, and then b is also equal to 1, and now a is smaller than or equal to 4. Yes, then it will move to the next for loop, and then in b it is also less than or equal to 4. Yes, it is less than 4, so it will print 1 star and then space. Then it will go up, and then b's value will increase to 2, and when it is 2 it is also smaller than 4, so it will again print 1 star and space. Then again its value will increase, and it will become 3. Then also it is smaller than 4, so it will print 1 star and space. Then it will become 4. 4 is equal to 4, so it will print 1 star and then space. Then its value will increase to 5, and then it is not smaller than or equal to 4, so it will stop, it will exit that for loop and go down to the system.out.println statement, and then it will, then the cursor will go to the next line, and the same will continue till the age value is 4, means the number of rows are 4. So this was how we can print this square pattern with all the squares filled. Now we will see how to make it empty, means it will be the same like this, but only the difference will be like this, means this inside 4 stars will not be there. Then also here is number of rows and columns are same, so we will try it by using the same. Now we will simply paste it here. Only the change is we have to make here yt patterns 3b. So this will print the square pattern, but we want the 4 empty spaces inside it. So before the system.out.println statement and this, we will use one more operator, which is if operator. If in bracket a is equal to 1, or a is equal to 4, then print star. Then again we have to give here one else statement, else here we have to add one more, or b is equal to 1, or b is equal to 4, because it has only to print in the first row, in the last row, in the first column and in the second column. So only the first and last means fourth and first column and rows it has to print the stars, and else it will print the spaces. Then here else just a space, and then system dot out dot print ln. Now we will compile it and see whether the output comes the same. See, it is coming the same. If we have to make it more attractive, then here after the star we can add one space and compile. Open editor and see, you can see this pattern right here. Thank you everyone.